What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm not doing any b-roll, I'm just getting right and down to the point. I pulled up on Google Maps, there's some ponds around my area. I didn't want to travel too far, and I knew that there were some ponds around here. I've driven past them before, I've seen them, but I don't really know how to get back to them. There's a few ponds behind me, there's two little ones, and then there's actually a lake. But it's harder to get to, and I don't know if I'm allowed to fish it or not, but you already know me, I'm gonna fish that. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna be doing a challenge today, hopefully with the GOOGAN Squad line. I picked myself up some 12-pound monofilament. It's 330 yards. I think you can buy them in more or less yardage. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. They also have fluoro and they also have braid. The reason I got this was I don't really have much mono. Mono is probably the best for topwater, I'd say, but I did tie some of these on the two rods I brought with me, which are back there. I got a spinner bait on one, I got a chair bait on the other, and as you guys can tell, I'm doing the intro in the car because it's so windy out there. The audio is going to be horrendous, so sorry in advance for that. One of these is open, one of these is not. I'm not sure which one it is, but stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving one of these away to you guys. And you can find out how to enter that at the end of the video. About 50 degrees here in the Chicago suburbs. It's super windy, like I said, but it's springtime, bass are biting, and it's windy, so that's why I'm gonna throw the spinner bait with some GOOGAN Squad mono. Gonna kind of get a feel for it. I mean, there's not really much you can do to review line, but when I was putting it on, it looked fine. Hopefully it feels fine with fish. It should be good. We're gonna go down to the water, hopefully try to find some water and fish some, and we're gonna bring these along with us, and hope you come along with. Let's do it.
This water is so clear, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Never steer this clear of water around here. So I got the spinnerbait on, I think it'll do some magic. Windy conditions. It's a little chop on the water for around here, which is pretty good. The spinnerbait, if there's fish in here, I feel like they'll munch on the spinnerbait. Though I've seen no signs of life yet. Oh, there's a bass right there. Oh, he was in his mouth. There are fish in here. Oh my gosh, it was a small bass. But he came out from under this log. Oh my gosh. This place is so cool. I wish there was a ton of fish in here. Oh, the fish are somewhere. I just gotta find them first. I just gotta find these fish. I mean, I'm starting to think they might be on the other side. There's one. I have a fish. Oh my God. I have a fish, boys. New place on the GOOGAN Squad line, mono on the spinnerbait. I gotta come down here and land them. I haven't seen it yet. Just trying to come down here and land it. Oh, come on. Oh, it's a good one. That's a good fish. No, he's right there, he got off. Are you serious? That's such a nice fish. Like a 3-pounder all day. Oh, you guys, there's fish here. Okay, there's fish here. That's good news. And that was a nice fish around here. This is like 10 minutes from my house. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling good. Oh God, maybe not after that. I know there's fish here and they're biting, obviously. Oh, that was such a nice, there he is. Got him, I saw him take it. Oh, come on, he's small. Let's go, let's go, baby. That's a fish, guys. The last one was way bigger than this one. But the fact that this is 10 minutes from my house, I see it all the time from that highway. This is unreal. On the spinnerbait, I actually just tightened my drag too, because I feel like I didn't get a good hook set on that one because my drag was too loose, so I tightened it. This one slammed it. Nice little guy right there. And hope there's more in here. I'm gonna toss him right back down. And there he goes, baby! Woo! That was on the GOOGAN Squad line. Using that mono, using that spinnerbait. Steady retrieve, and let's get some more, dude. That's hype. I'm so excited. Oh, big one took it. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Saw him take it. Let's go, baby. Hoo-hoo. That's a nice fish right there, boys. Oh yeah. Like I said before, not as big as that first one. Swimming right over this log. He slammed it. Just came out. I'm actually gonna take a quick selfie with this one at the new lake because this is awesome. Like I said, you guys probably hear this wind. The wind's going everywhere, which is why they're probably hitting the spinnerbait. This one hit it right in front of that log. We're gonna toss her back. And there she goes, baby. We know there's fish here. Now we just need them to get bigger. I'm so excited right now. This is awesome. I did not think this would work out. So I'm chucking the spinnerbait, reeling it nice and slow. Trying to keep it right above the bottom. It's like a recipe for success. super windy out here. Oh my gosh. My back's still, oh my gosh, it's super windy. Fish. Fish. Caught me by surprise a little bit. Let's tire yourself out, bro. It's all good. Oh my God, almost fell and died. Stay down. Good boy. Get up here, boy. Let's go. Biggest of the day. That's a nice one. That's a quality fish. Oh God, almost fell. That's a quality fish for around here, especially. Took the spinnerbait. Like I said, I mean, kind of where I thought he was. There's a bunch of wind coming across this point. It kind of stops right here, and it gets a little shallower. So he was just sitting there in the shallow water, and that's like, I mean, that's not a big fish, guys, but for around here, 10 minutes from my house, a place I've always seen, you know, I'm gonna freak out over every fish I catch. I'm also gonna take a nice little picture for the gram with this guy, and sorry, my GoPro's angled a little high, we'll fix that, but nonetheless, beautiful fish, GOOGAN Squad line, monster spinnerbait. Let's get some more. One final look at that, nice little guy. Oh God, right off that windy point, toss her back, and she swims off, boom, all right, good. I haven't caught a fish in a while until that one, and I'm starting to fish the windier side of the lake. You know, the wind's pushing this way, and I think that's where these fish are gonna be sitting. I feel like in this next stretch here, I'll catch a bunch of fish. 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 Oh no! He got off. Is he stuck? He swam off, right? Ah! That was a good one too. Oh! Get him up here, baby! Next cast after I lost that one fish. Let's go. Ah, ha, ha. Choked it. Look at this, boys. All right, now you guys can see me. Having a blast out here in this new pond right by my house, using some GOOGAN line on the spinnerbait. Little guys like this all day, a lot of fun. It's like my 10th one. Having a blast out here. Looks good, baby. Let's put this one back. There she goes. And she's off. Woo! Good stuff. Let's go.
Now you guys are probably wondering, like, hey, when are you gonna do this gosh darn giveaway? Well, I kind of forgot about it because I came out here and I'm catching like 10 fish so far. You know, not the biggest, but it's still having a blast. But now it's time for the giveaway. So all you gotta do is just a few simple steps. Step 1, leave a like on the video. Step 2, subscribe. And if you're a good Samaritan, you know, want to make me feel really good, hit the notification bell, sorry. And step 3, all you gotta do is comment down below why you want to use this line. What are you going to use this line for? And let me know down in the comment section below. That's all you got to do for this. As for now, I'm going to keep on fishing.
Got him. Oh, I saw him annihilate that. That was cool. The crystal clear water, guys. I can see my spinnerbait literally the whole way. Let's get him up here. Yeah, baby. Yet another fish. Just a dink though. Fish number 11, I think. Oh my God, I'm not putting all these on camera, guys. You're just gonna see dink after dink. But it's so fun to be out here catching fish with the GOOGAN Squad line and the spinnerbait. Well, lines feels really good, so nothing bad I could say about it. All good things for me. Thing is, I know there's some big ones in here, but I'm just having so much fun right now catching these fish. You know, like really, like right here, and they're all bunched up. There's like 2 logs right there. They're all bunched up by. I can see my spinnerbait the whole way. I can see these fish just smack it, but it seems like they're just loaded over here. I get one more before I leave. Come on. Come on. There he is. I got him. I saw him take it. Get him in. Get him in. Last fish of the day. He's in. Let's go. And probably the smallest fish of the day. That right there is the last catch of the day. What a beauty. Total tank, huh? And listen to this one go. Oh my gosh.
Right here, guys, is the last fish of the day. Total tank, by the way. My smallest of the day, but I wanted to catch one more, you know, and I wanted to end it on a good note. So we're gonna give this guy a nice, elegant release. Give him a little kiss too. Haven't done that to a fish in a long time. This wind's howling, but we'll give this guy a nice release. We'll bring her all the way down without getting wet. Hoist her in the water. Oh gosh, she got me all wet, you son of a gun. Oh my gosh, totally soaked my shoes and my pants. So I'm gonna go back to the car real quick and do the outro because as you guys can tell, this wind and this highway noise kinda sucks. So I will see you guys back at the car. It's been a good day. All right guys, just got back to the car. About to turn on, head home. Today was a good day. I mean, I did not expect to come to this place and catch as many fish as I did. I caught combined 14. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna put that many in the video, but I did catch 14 fish, but the only one I lost was a big one. And that one still gets me a little bit because it was a really nice fish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
J'ai dansé à Londres et un jour j'ai eu la chance de